Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to active Mercedes-Benz C-Class 2018 brake pad service mode. So what you have to do first, release your foot brake and from your menu. So from your menu, so you have to be on trip screen. So from your menu, so make sure you're on a trip screen as you can see on my dashboard. Then next step, just turn on one ignition on and leave it as it is. Then now what I'll do, I'll press and hold telephone and OK button together. Let me show you step by step. Thank you. So 1 2 3, press and hold OK button together. You have to be very quick. Yeah, so once you're done, as you can see, so once you're done, press and hold, then you'll see new menu will come up. Then scroll down to brake pad replacement. So in that point, leave as it is, one ignition on, then go back, change your brake pad, come back to car and press OK button. It should be reset your all, and you shouldn't see any kind of warning sign on your dashboard. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.